Hello! Welcome to Rosalind's Chaotic House. I'm Rosalind and this is my house. Except this is not specifically my house that I'm in currently. I'm in my parents' kitchen because this is where Gavin and I, my husband and I, are staying while we are renovating our house, fixing things up, making it livable. And sorry, Itala is distracting me. She's trying to find the mice. But she's not doing a good job. What? So when we were first going to fix up the kitchen, we thought we would just be kind of fixing the floors up a little bit, reorganizing the cabinets, not necessarily ripping them all out, but just kind of reconfiguring them. But once we started, we realized that the floor was actually sinking, so we had to rip out the entire floor and even rip out the joists of the floor as well. So the kitchen had to be completely gutted, actually. That was not the initial plan, so it was a little bit crazy feeling, because we thought, oh yeah, we'll just do a couple things and then we'll be ready to move in. But now it's been months and we are still not able to move in yet. As we were removing the cabinets, my dad was helping us with that, and we realized that they were a lot flimsier than we initially thought, and he encouraged us to just replace them totally. And even though I liked the look of them, I thought they were cute, they were a little bit messed up and flimsy and just not the configuration that we needed in the kitchen. My dad helped us with the plumbing work, which is amazing, and then we were finally able to put the new floor in. So this video kind of goes through the process of that, and then we start to actually design the kitchen and figure out where we're going next. And so this will be a multi-part kitchen series because kitchens are so much work and time and money. But hopefully we can finish it soon enough so that we can move into the house. That's the goal. Sorry, Ethel is really all up in my lap here. Alright, go play. Go play. I'm taking a video of the kitchen, so we remember what it used to look like. When we took our first tour of the house, one of the things I loved most about the kitchen was the wallpaper. I really wanted to try and keep as much of it as we could. If you have ever looked at the price of wallpaper, it is crazy. I mean, at least to me, when I see the price, it's crazy. I don't know. Peel and stick is like one thing, and even that's a bit expensive. But like actual wallpaper and wallpaper that looks nice is crazy expensive. So I always feel like if you have vintage wallpaper and it looks good, then try to keep it. At least that's what I think.
Any use for shelving material?
Maybe.
Finesse.
Wow.
And treasures underneath. I found a penny upstairs.
I saw it. What's the newspaper?
It doesn't have a year. It looks like 60s. Yeah. Look at the price of bottom round.
$1.29.
Yeah. There's a coupon, Rosen. I don't think it's expired.
Say 10 cents.
You okay?
Yep. I got
I
it.
guess it did matter a little bit. For your safety.
Taking up this floor was really incredibly difficult, mostly because they had put so many nails into the floor. It seems like whenever a layer was getting janky, they would just nail a new layer of flooring on top of it. We think they were trying to fix it in the way they knew how, but it was not really working. We ended up having to use saws and sawzalls to slice the floor up and then rip it out in chunks. Wow. Good job, Gavin.
Yeah.
I'm not strong enough though.
Well, that's not something one would expect.
My dad's good friends, Mr. Bob and Mr. Tapio, came to offer their assistance and expertise, which we really appreciated, for installing the new floor so it would be sturdy and well put together.
Wasn't what I would have. Move your hand. Don't trust me, Bob. Move your hand. The captain in toenail. Did you get that? Captain in toenail?
Yes.
Sorry, Bob. That would have sent Mike right over the edge, wouldn't it? 1 5/8.
What is it on?
1 1/8. 2 1/4 week. 2 1/4 week.
Do we remember all those numbers?
And regular now and
Alright, so just make a double, right here, is this, just look.
They decided to cut out and no header.
Oh yeah. Okay, that's dangerous, right? Or just weird?
That's, you see why this cracks? You see this?
Oh.
Because there should be a header here.
Rosen, stand next to it for a size comparison. You could fit through the window in an emergency if we had to escape, right?
Yeah. The kitchen originally had a little door in it, and we decided to put French doors into the dining room next to it and get rid of the little kitchen door. So a lot of those who were helping us encouraged us to get a bigger window, and we thought that that would be expensive, but when conserving the heat and the cooling in the house, newer windows are better for that. So we decided to get a newer window from Home Depot. We went twice to make sure that we really liked it, and then we bought it. Bam!
Nice.
Look at that.
Salvaged.
It's pretty.
Pretty ugly.
Hey, keep this somewhere safe.
Can I punch it out?
Huh?
Can I punch it out?
No. You like- The moment of truth. Oh, I see that bolt. Yeah.
It came off, Rosa.
Oh, good.
Thank God. It's like some weird residue.
It's not
I'm gonna come
scratched.
back tomorrow. I just have to, they have a playoffs game.
It's so beautiful, Pasha.
You see?
Strengthen the traffic spot. This is gonna get a lot of traffic.
Here, then there.
Yeah, don't be afraid to put extra in this area because it's what we call the high traffic area.
Got it.
And you want super strong here.
Got it.
So don't be afraid to put extra.
Got it.
Now, as we finish up the bones of the kitchen, we can start dreaming about the fun part, which is the actual design and aesthetic of what the kitchen will look like when it's finished. This is the mood board that I put together, which kind of shows everything that we're kind of interested in terms of what our kitchen could be. So we have some French country style kitchens, we have some Indian style doorways, we have some Peranakan tiles, and kind of like eclectic and colorful. For my Pinterest board, whenever I see a kitchen on Pinterest that kind of evokes a feeling that I really want to capture in our own kitchen, I save it to my kitchen board. And that's why the board is a little bit crazy. Nothing is quite cohesive in each board, actually, but when I scroll through, it is kind of the feeling that I want to capture and the colors and the themes that I would like to be present rather than a specific design. But when I do go through, I'm inspired to pick different items and different designs that I actually do want to take and use and create. I created these mock-ups so that we could visualize what certain designs and appliances and tiles would look like together. And again, our kitchen renovation is very low budget. We don't have a lot of wiggle room, and we're gonna try and get most things salvaged or secondhand. And so we kind of gotta work with what we have. Design comes with restrictions, and one of our restrictions is money, and that's okay. We're gonna make it work, and it's gonna be awesome and beautiful. This first mock-up, we were thinking of using Talavera tile, and we found this design online, but then we switched gears because I really wanted Peranakan tiles, and we were able to find some. And so this is kind of where we're at now with the backsplash idea and the cabinet layout. My dad is the MVP of this video and of the kitchen renovation in general. He has been so much help, so incredible. He comes to help us all the time, and he just has a wealth of knowledge on how to do things. And because we're doing a lot of things ourselves, it's been super overwhelming, and he has helped make it a lot less overwhelming. And we're also learning a lot from him, so it's pretty cool. But he found these tiles in storage at his job, and he asked his boss if he could take it. And so we got this free quarry tile for the kitchen, and we wanted to lay it out and see how we liked the look of it all together. And so far we're really liking it.
Sounds like it's raining out there.
Is it?
I think it's just the leaves ruffling.
Huh. That would be awesome if it was raining.
Actually, yeah, I think it's just the leaves rustling.
Thanks so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Gavin and I went on a family trip to Australia this past few weeks, so our projects have taken a halt currently, but hopefully we'll get the next parts out soon, and hopefully we can move into the house soon. Alright, see you in the next one.
The life of Rosalind is the life for